Hey guys, how are you doing today? Today we are reviewing the G Gradual men's golf shirts. So these are white, size large. Let's go ahead. We normally wear size large, so let's see if it's true to the fit. Sometimes they are, sometimes they're not. This is what it looks like. It is buttoned on the front. You got your collar there as well. We're gonna go ahead and take off the label, so hopefully it fits good. So here's the thing about golf shirts. Sometimes people wear a shirt underneath it or a tank, a men's tank underneath it, aka muscle shirt. And so a lot of times people don't wear anything under it. Now this is a long sleeve, so we're gonna try it on. I think we're gonna try it on without any shirt underneath it just to see the fitting. So see you guys in a bit. Oh, I like this. I like it. I like it. I like how it feels. That is like really soft. Okay, we definitely are going to unbutton, I think, this one. But, yeah, this is what it looks like. Very nice. I like this. Yeah, fits really nice. You can obviously put the collar down as well or keep it up. You guys can, whatever you guys like. But overall, I like this a lot. It's very nice. Very, very, very nice, guys.